Hey guys, if you can't tell, I'm in a field, and I just recorded myself singing Deep in the Meadow from the Hunger Games because I sang the hanging tree from the Hunger Games in the woods, and since you guys liked that, I thought I'd do Deep in the Meadow, which is a lullaby in the Hunger Games that gets repeated a lot. And in case anybody was wondering, I did actually read the Battle of Songbirds and Snakes, and I think it's better than Mockingjay. You can fight me on that in the comments, but I think it is better than Mockingjay. And so, yeah. And the version I sang of Deep in the Meadow is by Adriana Figueroa because I loved her arrangement and I really didn't like the ones they used in the movie. So, yeah. Deep in the meadow, under the willow, a bed of grass, a soft green pillow. Lay down your head and close your sleepy eyes, and when again it's morning, the sun will rise. Here it's safe, here it's warm, here the daisies guard you from every harm. Here your dreams are sweet, and tomorrow brings them true. Here is the place where I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Deep in the meadow, laid and far away, a cloak of leaves, a moonbeam ray. Forget your woes and let your troubles stay, and when again it's morning, they'll wash away. Here it's safe, here it's warm, here the daisies guard you from every harm. Here your dreams are sweet, and tomorrow brings them true. Here is the place where I love you. Ooh.